Alright, we got this Furby, and everybody runs into this problem. Batteries that have been left in toys, and they start to leak. So, this is how we're going to fix this problem. First things first, we got to get the batteries out. And you're going to want to be really gentle about it. That one's horrible. Be gentle. Small screwdriver. Lovely. Small screwdriver. Alright. Alright, so we got the batteries all out. Be gentle. Alright. And then what we're going to use is I'm going to make a little mixture of baking soda to clean that up. I'm going to put it in this cup and mix it with a little bit of water. Basically creating a consistency of a paste. And we will go ahead and rub this all over our contact. Look, it's already coming off. See that? So go ahead and put this paste all over our contacts. Get it on here. Clean this up. So we'll keep working this. Alright, after moving that around a little bit, I just packed some of that baking soda water mixture into a paste, and I just kind of packed it into all the areas. I'm going to let this sit here for a couple 2 to 5 minutes maybe, and then we'll mix it with the magic solution. Alright, so the baking soda's in there. I'm going to take a little bit of white vinegar, put that in my cup, and let's see. See how it's starting to bubble up? Take that white vinegar. Let's see, it's actually bubbling up. It's having a chemical reaction with the baking soda, which is actually cleaning it. So here we go. Bubbling up. Cleaning that up. I'll even use a toothbrush. An old toothbrush here. I'm just going to keep working it like that. Keep working it like that till we get her all nice and clean. So we are a lot cleaner than we were. A lot cleaner. I think I'm going to keep working on it a little bit. But it is a lot cleaner. It can be better. But that's basically how to do it. Alright, I went over it a little bit more. And that's about as clean as I got it. So I'm going to put the batteries in and we'll see if it works. And yes, I was not careful enough and I broke one of the springs off from right here. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some aluminum foil. I'm going to stick it like that. And then I'll put the spring back in there with some aluminum foil wrapped around it and plop the battery in. Alright, there it is. I wrapped the spring with aluminum foil, set it in there, and crammed the battery in. 4 new batteries. Let's see what happens. Hey! Come on, guy. I might have to reset him. But he is working. Alright, Furby. I don't know if it's resetting itself or what. You there? You work? Huh? Well, obviously we cleaned his batteries and he's working now. But, who knows? Furby? Hello, Furby. Hey, knucklehead. Huh? Smack him around a little bit. Wake up. Hello? Wake up, Furby. Furby, you there? Wow, you weren't supposed to go to sleep. Alright, so he's moving around. And he is working. There is a reset button on the bottom here. So I'm going to have to figure that out. But, yeah. So, cleaning the contacts will get... There's a reset button right here. So, cleaning the contacts like that does work. Put new batteries in it. And I guess subscribe and I will do another update once I get this little guy programmed or whatever. We'll go through them and see if I'll get him talking again. Alright.